Hi there, DeeperNaut, and welcome to this week's video. It's a little bit late, about the Subwallet. Now, we've just had a brand new wallet released. It's called Subwallet, and it is a cross-chain wallet from Polkadot to other chains. And a lot of people might say that I'm a bit of a fanboy when it comes to Deeper Network. However, this video will prove that I'm not, because this wallet's not as good as what we kind of think. So, to install it, we go to extensions in the Brave browser. In Opera, it's probably the same as well, and Chrome as well. Just go to wherever it says extensions, and then go to the extension store and type in Subwallet Polkadot. And we'll have to make sure we get the right one. There's a couple, but type in Subwallet Polkadot and you'll get this one. Now, you can see there it's come from subwallet.app. It looks pretty legit. It's got 5 stars. It's got the verified thingy, so you know it's been checked out. And then add to Brave. So it'll tell you what permissions it needs, and then just click add to Brave. And it'll install, and it should open up a new tab and take you straight to the setup page. So on this setup page, we're going to create a brand new wallet. Now this wallet I'm just going to use to show in the video, so I'm going to show you the 12 keywords. You know, I mean, if you want to log into it and try and get money out of it, fine, but there's nothing in there because I move stuff in, then move stuff out, just for the purpose of doing this video. So you've got your seed phrase there. It's really, really important in every crypto project that you save your seed phrase. Don't think, oh, I'll do it later, or I can just use my email address to recover it. You can't. So click on download seed phrase or whatever it says, and then it'll save your seed phrase to your computer. Now what I recommend is that you actually write these words down, double check them, and then delete that file from your computer. Who knows? Maybe your computer will break and you won't be able to delete the file. Someone gets hold of the hard drive, recovers that file, and then takes all your money. So we're basically met with 2 different accounts. It looks a lot like MetaMask. So you've got an ERC20 account, and you can see DPR is there listed as one of the tokens, plus a bunch of other ones. And then if we go to the actual name, you can see it's EVM, so the Ethereum, whatever, I don't know. And then you've got another account, which is the Polkadot one. So you've got Dot, and you've got, was it KSM or something? And those are the 2 accounts that you get. Now you can obviously add accounts as well. You can change the names of them, like MetaMask as well. So now let's get on to how to export DPR from your device straight to this wallet. Now there'll be something here. So you have to go to manage tokens, and there's another chain. There's Deeperchain. So you can just click to enable that. We've already got the Ethereum chain on there, so we'll just turn the Deeperchain on because we're not really bothered about the Ethereum chain, because who's going to use that now in 2023? And you can see there, so no transferable tokens, no lock tokens, and you've got send and you've got get address. So we'll go to get address, and you can either scan the QR code or you can copy the address to put into your device page. So we'll open up a brand new tab, and we will go to the device dashboard, and we need to go to the wallet. So where is it? Wallet balance. So you can see there I've got 4,219 DPR, very nearly to tier 8. That's my last one, by the way, to get to tier 8. So you basically paste the wallet address in there, say how much you want to send across. So we'll do 20. Yep. So put your password in. Wait a little bit. Okay. So fund transferred successfully. So now if we go back to the wallet, to the sub wallet, we'll also check that on Deeperscan as well. So we'll go back, and you can see there 20 DPR. Total value 7 cents, 7.2 cents. Okay. Easy peasy. So that is now in the hot wallet sub wallet, because it's a hot wallet. It's a software only wallet. So we're going to do some more. We'll do 1,000 because I've done a little test. Add up. Oh yeah, because I copied my thing, didn't I? So we could check it out on Deeperscan. So there we go. I can't send money to myself. Put the password in, and then click on continue again, and then wait a little bit, and it should come back and say fund transferred successfully. So now that's 1,020 that I've transferred across. So total value $3.71, and it was straight away, absolutely instant. So that is how you transfer it into the wallet. To transfer it out, it's exactly the same way. You just go to send, paste your device wallet address in, and then send it. Yeah, so now let's get on to the issue with this. And it is a bit of a big issue, because the whole point of this was to be able to get it off the chain, off a Deeperchain, and not have to use the bridge, not be restrained by the limits, and just to be able to send it to your wallet, then send it to a cold storage wallet or an exchange. Unfortunately, this wallet doesn't actually do it. I tried for ages. The only Deeper network DPR chains it has is ERC20, which nobody should use now, and the Deeperchain itself. Those are the only two which it actually has. It doesn't have BSC, Binance Smart Chain, or BEP20. So from my point of view, there's really not much point. Even when you select BNB, like I just did there, it only has ERC20 BNB. So clearly, Subwallet doesn't have the capability to use the Binance Smart Chain. That's pretty big, especially for us, because obviously the gas fees are really high on ERC20. The whole point of this was to be able to use the Smart Chain to get our DPR off with very little gas, without using the bridge, without the limits and all that stuff. So as you can see here, I've tried ages. I tried for a long time. I tried putting the custom address in to add it, and it just wouldn't do it. If you guys have managed to do it, then please get in touch and tell me how, so I can make a new video which will update this one, and then everybody can use it. However, unfortunately, I know that you can't, because I did actually contact the developers of this and say, you know, we were told that it had BSC Smart Chain. We could get DPR from the Deeperchain to the BSC chain, or BEP20, and that clearly isn't the case. Can you look into it? And they got back to me super quick, to be fair to them, and said, yeah, we might add it in the future. So yeah, it would have been nice if it did all that, because that would be a big kind of way to get your DPR off a Deeperchain and then sell it. So I did get in touch with the devs through their Discord, and I've just basically said that Subwallet is really good for sending DPR from the Deeperchain to the Subwallet kind of app, but I can't see a way on how to get it to the BSC20 or BEP20. Am I missing something? Then this other guy said, have you had a response? And I hadn't, so I replied to him, and just basically that's when he says, oh, you know, I'm sorry I missed your message. Currently there's no way to do it. Is DPR available on BSC? And I basically explained that the early adopters used ERC20, but now everybody uses BEP20, and that's been that way for about a year. So I explained about the bridge, and that there's not really a point in their app for us, because obviously why would we export in ERC20, or just move our secure DPR from our devices, which is essentially a cold storage wallet, to their hot wallet. That's just an extra risk. And he says, okay, maybe we'll support it in the future. So yeah, I reckon they're not going to support that for a long time, because if they haven't even got BEP20 on any of their coins, that means they haven't got the integration for that. We'll see. Myself, we'll get on with the final thoughts. Disappointed a bit. Yeah, it sucks. It does, but unfortunately that's the way it is. It would be nice if they did support BEP20. That would be a massive load off, because I could just send it straight from my devices, straight to that wallet, and then from that wallet straight onto my cold storage wallet. And just when I need it, I don't have to bridge it. I can just send it straight back. Yeah, but unfortunately, that's not what it does. So it's a bit negative. Well, it is negative, but yeah, I'm not here. I'm not an employee of Deeper Networks. I am truly impartial. They don't pay me money or anything. I don't even make money off this YouTube channel. So, you know, So yeah, so if you want to get Subwallet, by all means, try it out. Maybe send like 1,000 DPR to it if you want. Just have a bit of a play with it. However, I would probably install it and then not use it and then just wait. And then I'll check in on it in about 6 months and I'll see if they've rectified the issues and if we can use BEP20 or not. Because if we can't use BEP20, then there's not really a point. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please hit the like and subscribe and all that. And I will see you tomorrow for the weekly update. Thanks all. Bye-bye.